Hello everyone, welcome to the world of 3D solid modeling. Today's session is focused on the SolidWorks software, its use and industry scope, as well as what's required to become an expert in its functionalities. Multisoft Virtual Academy offers online training for SolidWorks that gives you the convenience to learn from anytime, anywhere. This course is ideal for mechanical engineers and architects who aim to build expertise in creating solid 3D models. Let's start with the agenda. I'll begin with an introduction to SolidWorks software and then move on to its certification and exam details. We will then discuss the scope of this software and later get to know the course details, which will include the professional scope, target audience, and course outline. The next section will be sneak preview, where I will briefly explain one of the important course topics. This will give you a fair understanding about how online training will happen at Multisoft. Next, we'll cover the details about Multisoft online training for SolidWorks in terms of learning resources. At last, I'll summarize the session for you. So, here begins the introduction to the very popular 3D solid modeling computer-aided design software that runs on Microsoft Windows, that is SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a mechanical design automation software which is a feature-based parametric solid modeling design tool. It offers the advantage of easy-to-learn window graphical user interface. Now let me tell you something about the technology associated with SolidWorks. SolidWorks is based on the CAD technology that is divided into three parts. The first one is the 3D solid modeling of component, which includes solid modeling, surface modeling, and sheet metal modeling. Second is the assembly of components, wherein each part is assembled in a single file, that is the assembly file. You can calculate the mass of the product, or if it is a machine, you can check its dynamic and kinematic behavior of motion. The third one is the 2D drafting of single components and assembly components related to technical drawing, also known as drafting, which is the act and discipline of composing plans that visually communicate how something functions or is to be constructed. Technical drawing is essential for communicating ideas in the industry and engineering. To make drawings easier to understand, people use familiar symbols, perspectives, units of measurement, notation systems, visual styles, and page layout. Together, such conventions constitute a visual language and help to ensure that the drawing is unambiguous and relatively easy to understand. Now that we know what exactly SolidWorks is, let us get into the details of it. SolidWorks goes far beyond the traditional 3D CAD to offer a unique ability to imagine and shape the connected world. It delivers the ability to not only model any product, but to do so in the context of product behavior and design in the age of experience. Also, the SolidWorks 3D experience delivers a social design environment that drives business intelligence, real-time concurrent design, and collaboration. Next, it gives an instinctive 3D experience with world-class 3D modeling capabilities to enhance your existing design activities. Last but not the least, it provides an inclusive product development platform, easily integrated with existing processes and tools enabling everyone to participate in the product design process. Now let me tell you about Dassault Systems, a renowned software company and also the owner of SolidWorks software. Dassault Systems is a French software company headquartered in France that was established in the year 1981. The company is known for its 3D design software, including the popular CATIA software. In the year 1997, Dassault Systems acquired SolidWorks Corporation. SolidWorks software was developed in 1993 and is based on the 3D CAD technology. It runs on Windows platform and provides a complete toolset to create, simulate, publish, and manage data. As far as learning the software is concerned, it gives best results when you validate your expertise. It is thus advisable that after attending a professional training of SolidWorks, candidates aim for the related certification that is offered by Dassault Systems. Candidates who thoroughly understand the working of SolidWorks software should aim for the Certified SolidWorks Associate certification. As a CSWA, students will be able to show their expertise with SolidWorks 3D modeling software, design concepts, and sustainable design techniques. This credential gives them a competitive edge in today's job market. Now that we know about the certification, let me share the exam details with you. The CSWA exam needs to be attempted within a stipulated time of 3 hours. In order to clear the exam, you need to secure at least 70% marks. Moving on to the scope of SolidWorks, let's start with the industry scope. SolidWorks is used by more than 2.5 million engineers and designers. The salaries for SolidWorks certified professionals are as high as $81,000 annually. Before I share the course details with you, it is also important that you understand the significance of this software. SolidWorks is widely used throughout the engineering industry. The various industries utilizing SolidWorks for various CAD operations are automotive and transportation, consumer products, education, electronics, energy plant and process, machinery, medical, etc. Moving on to the professional scope associated with SolidWorks software, this software is mainly used by engineers, which includes design engineers, product development engineers, tool design engineers, and graphic programmers. Now that you're aware about the SolidWorks as a technology and its training program, it is time for us to move on to the course specific details. In terms of target audience, this course is usually attended by BTech and diploma students. Those who are already working as mechanical engineers can also learn this software to add an extra edge to their career. This slide shows the complete course outline for SolidWorks online training. We will cover all these modules in detail once you register with us for the training. I hope the journey till now has been pretty good. So let us make it more exciting by moving on to the most interesting and knowledgeable section. That's the sneak preview. We'll begin with the concept of creating a model of hex bolt of M10 into 1.25 mm. By default, no file is opened automatically when you start the program. That is, initially you will get this SolidWorks interface present on the screen. In order to create a new file, you will have to click on File and then New, or you can directly click the New File icon in the main toolbar. This will open the new SolidWorks document wizard. Before moving on to the creation of hex bolt, let us have some knowledge about them. A screw or bolt is a type of fastener characterized by a helical ridge known as a male thread or just thread, wrapped around a cylinder. The majority of screws are tightened by clockwise rotation, which is termed as a right-hand thread. Also, the screws with left-hand threads are used in exceptional cases. The rendered preview and the model preview of hex bolt is shown on the screen. Let us sketch a polygon with 6 sides. In order to do this, you need to select Tools, then Sketch Entities, after which a polygon along with the sides is selected, and finally you need to set the diameter to 16 mm. Now you need to extrude the sketch to 6.40 mm. Next, to create the groove on the head of the bolt, use the feature of Revolve Cut. The Revolves feature adds or removes material by revolving one or more profiles around a center line. You can create revolved boss or bases, revolved cuts, or revolved surfaces. The Revolve feature can be a solid, a thin feature, or a surface. Further moving on, we use the Revolve base feature for creating the stud part of the bolt. Create base rectangular profile at upper side of origin by choosing front plane of model. Keep the rectangle size as 40 × 5. Now give chamfer at top right hand corner of it by giving size 8.344 × 45 degree, and then use the revolve command to revolve it around horizontal axis by 360 degree. Now that we've got a bolt model, let us move on to apply cosmetic threads. Cosmetic threads describe the attributes of a specific whole, so you need not add real threads to the model. A cosmetic thread represents the minor diameter of a thread on a boss or the major diameter of a thread on a hole and can include a hole callout in drawings. Firstly, apply cosmetic threads on the lateral stud body of bolt. Then go to Menu, Insert, Annotations and Cosmetic Threads. The cosmetic threads will be of M10 into 1.25. SolidWorks lets you apply appearances to your model that represent a wide range of colors, textures, transparency, and lighting to the models. There is a library of predefined appearance that represent many standard materials. Last but not the least, let us now apply appearances to the parts we created. The Material dialog box helps you manage physical materials. You can work with predefined materials, create custom materials, apply materials to parts, and manage favorites. To display this dialog box, open a part, right-click Material in the Feature Manager design tree and select Edit Material. The Render Manage toolbar contains Appearance, Scene, Decals and Lightings. After applying the material, we can get the actual mass of the product. The Render Manager toolbar contains Appearance, Scene, Decals and Lightings. After applying the material, we can get the actual mass of the product. I hope that the sneak preview section was informational. Let us now have an overview of how online training for SolidWorks will happen at Multisoft. When you register with us for the training, we will connect with you as per the pre-decided time and impart training for 28 hours in all. For the exact schedule and each session's duration, you can refer to the training calendar on our website. The training happens through a secure web conferencing tool that allows a real-time learning experience. Once you register with us, we send out event links to you wherein you log into a collaborative platform that allows two-way interaction between the student and the trainer through webcam and voice chat. It is as good as a classroom since the whiteboard allows the trainer to transfer knowledge as done in a classroom. The share option lets the experts share files, videos, applications and even desktops. Once you register with us, we provide you 24/7 access to an online resource center, wherein apart from accessing other training material, you can also attempt 9 sketching and 14 solid modeling exercises along with 4 assessments. Apart from these valuable exam-oriented resources, you also get access to all related course presentations. This is a sample of the online assessment, which will test your knowledge on the various course concepts. All the questions will have few options, out of which you need to select the correct one. At the end of the assessment, you'll get the information on the correct answers and reasoning behind the same. Now let's summarize the session. This will be a 28 hours instructor-led online training that will be conducted by a certified trainer. In addition, you will get 24/7 access to the learning management system where you can attempt 9 sketching and 14 solid modeling exercises along with 4 assessments. After the training, you will also receive a certificate from Multisoft. This session was an attempt to provide you detailed information about the online SolidWorks training program. In order to register for the course or to ask any question, please write to us at info@multisoftvirtualacademy.com.